Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix cannot verify identity. This action could not be completed because of a server error. Try again. For example, if you try to log in your new Apple ID here, for example, you have tried to log in into your Apple ID and after that you forgot your password and you try to enter a new Apple ID password and you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to setting, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhones. Here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and the first thing you have to do is you have to simply reset your network settings. And after resetting your network setting, you have to simply go back and you have to again click on reset. And here what you have to do now, you have to simply click on reset location and privacy. And after doing all the things, you have to simply go back, and after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply close all the pages, and after that you have to make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. Now what you have to do, if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply try to log in your Apple ID on your MacBook or any computer like that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to check whether your Apple ID is logging in your MacBook or a computer. And after that, the next thing you have to do, is the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to Apple Support and you have to ask the solution of the problem. And after that, you have to make sure that you solve the problem. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply create a new Apple ID and you have to log in again. So these are the solution for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.